What's going on, guys? Quattro Game back again with another video. Today I got something a little bit different. Today we're putting in the billet aluminum SPA manifold. All right, so she's running. Everything's good. Everything matching. Yes, sir. Y'all remember the baby B7, Project B7, soon coming back. Okay, first cold start, let's see. That's normal. Starts right up, no issues. Finally idling down now, and it's normal time it takes to idle down in the morning. I don't know why people caution so much against intake runner flap deletes without tunes. I drove it yesterday, ran fine. It was boosting harder with the manifold. I actually had an overboost fall with most definitely the car runs fine. Cold start was fine, and the manifold definitely does flow a lot more air, so go for it if you want to, if you have the time, if you have the patience. We're burning a bunch of crap out of the exhaust. Look at this.